Hi guys, I'm with Chloe. I'm at her house. This is our gym fit. Or no, where are we going? We're going hiking.
On a hike.
On a hike. Yeah. We're very like opposites though today.
Yeah, shorts, legging, top, bra. But we're still ready.
Yeah. Chloe chefed it up today. She cut the cameras.
I'm walking so much faster than usual because they just walk so good. They're just good walking shoes. What? What is it?
You know what this reminds me of? You know Judy Jupiter?
No.
It's like this it's this woman who like just goes up to people recording them.
Oh yeah.
And like, let me see your whole outfit. Like,
yeah,
do a 360 spin. I feel like that right now. I feel like I'm her because I'd just be whipping out my phone like while you're just like, ooh, ooh. Hey, okay. Damn, your thighs so T, bro.
No, look at these calves, bro. Calves in the
Damn. I'm trying to be like that today. Let's go. Hashtag productive day, except I woke up at like 12.
Okay.
I guess. Coco no water.
Can we listen to that song?
Really? You want to listen to it? Sure. Okay, we're being productive. Chloe, the alpha leader. Let's go. You lead the way, queen. Look at the houses here. Wait, I didn't catch it. Close enough. This is near the beach. Like, I always envy these people. So lucky. People that live near the beach are so lucky.
I'm living by the beach. Count my words, bro. Give me 2 years. I'll be there.
Yeah, I do believe that. You got it. So pretty. Okay. This is really nice.
It's actually nice.
I love it, yeah. No more, baby. That is so pretty.
I'm gonna walk my height.
Ignore my hair right now. I'm really sweaty. But like, we're being very productive right now. Mama Chloe. Chloe's such an almond bomb, bro.
I actually am, and it's scary. But like, I'm not.
But that's
It's
so
not in a
good.
bad way. Like, I'm not trying to like starve my kids, you know.
Yeah, I know. You're like, I mean, like, you're healthy. Like, guys, she's like Nora Smith. Like, we were talking about this like earlier. She makes her own food. Who needs McDonald's when we have McDonald's at home? She makes her own food. Who needs McDonald's when we have McDonald's at home? She makes her own food.
Get you a man who can cook. Always get you a man who can cook.
Exactly.
Whatever your favorite food is, that's when you gotta start being like, okay, I eat like that ethnicity, you know? Oh, sorry. That's
sorry.
called like, that's called
So Italian food. We need Italian men.
Exactly. You know?
Yeah.
I think you can guess what my favorite food is.
Butter chicken.
I did look.
You can?
It's like a little, yeah.
Yay!
No, not not good. I don't want to whine.
I did look. You can?
It's like a little, yeah.
Yay!
No, not good. I don't want to whine.
Birds.
Birds.
A little birdie told me.
Let me see if you're 10. Do your strap. See your strap.
Okay. Because I'm not trying to fan, I'm not gonna lie.
It's not gonna be that big, that serious.
Guys, this is so rare to see me like walk outside my house.
But hey, it's beautiful outside. It looks so nice.
No,
This
it's
is,
so
the
pretty.
place.
I love this. I'm so glad.
Whee!
Chloe's getting me out of my comfort zone.
Yes. That's what I do.
Okay, I just sound a beast right now.
Huh?
Not comfort zone, but like
Chloe
she's getting me out of the
makes us
house.
Suffer. Chloe keeps us in a sludge. Eat sludge.
She made me matcha.
Yeah. Yeah. And then I can make us something for lunch.
Are you Italian? Yeah. Oh, I see that one trend of people going
No, I think it's,
while they walk.
wait, what?
Yeah, they go like this, like to show their.
That's how you do it.
Yeah,
I didn't
that's
know
how you do it.
Wait, let me do
Like this. Like to show your figure out too with the fit.
Yeah.
Check.
no
Though.
wind. That's way too far.
Let's go.
Yeah. Just trying to enjoy the sun.
Let's go. Okay guys, we're at this pizza place now. It's pretty nice. Guys, we're at this pizza place. Chicken ranch, pizza ranch on the side.